Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're going to start it off today with a new altcoin that I would like everyone to get introduced to. As markets are going sideways and pulling back, this is a perfect opportunity for you to fill up your altcoin bags. So here is one of the coins that's been requested, Myria. It's on MEXC. So I just want to point out on the weekly time frame that in this coin's history came out, had a nice sell-off underneath whatever it originally came out, flushed out a lot of people. It accumulated on this low over here at around less than a penny, 1/100th, 1/1000th of a penny. And then after that, you've got this accumulation that actually brought it to about a penny, a little bit more than a penny, almost 2 pennies, and pullback. As you can see, you had a very, very hard rejection, but this doesn't mean that you're bearish yet. You still have room for upside in the sense that, hey, you are using 21 EMA as support. If you want to come down and test even further, you can. This is your previous order block right over here. So coming and testing this original breakout area makes logical sense. I will pull up some fibs, which I've already drawn out for us. And you can see that right above around half a penny is decent support as a golden pocket area where you want to basically manage your risk. If you are trying to use leverage and price action comes underneath this doji over here at about 3 1/8 of a penny, I would not be trying to hold. I would be waiting to find some support and then move forward. But until then, you can look for some support coming into this little bit more than half a penny. This 21 EMA's target over here is like 0.00678. Okay, that's a good area where you can look for an accumulation to find some sideways and then support. And then after that's claimed, you can retest into the area that you actually rejected from this 1 1/10 of a penny to a penny. And that can be a large support moving forward if this continues to the uptrend. That is very possible because this is a very new coin with probably a very low market cap. Can it tell me? I don't think it's going to tell me that data, and it's going to type it up. So I'm just going to a daily time frame now, and on the daily you can see confirmation again that yes, this little order block here is like a nice area to base your risk on. If you go underneath that order block, you might not want to hold this long, but at least above this 200 EMA at this half a penny to half a penny in general is a nice DCA long area if you would like so. And you can manage your risk accordingly if you want to attempt this long. I am trying to keep our stop loss at around 1%. That's like not even easy to do on the daily time frame. So you're gonna have to come over here to the 0.5, manage your stop loss accordingly. But the target for this long scalp on that bottom would be where this 9 EMA is at. Right now it's all the way up here and it's actually crossing bearish with candle body underneath it. If daily closes like this, I would be looking for next day to actually look for continuation down into these wicks. And if you want to make this a long scalp quick, if you get this flush down to the downside order block and it's a higher low above the golden pocket, your first area of take profit could be this 100 EMA and then lock in the stop loss and profit and then actually ride it to the 21 EMA, wherever that's going to be at that time. Every day, this is going to shift these EMAs, but as long as you have this rounding bottom action over here, I'm going to remove that out of the way. As long as you have this rounding bottom action here, you can look at it as an accumulation and you can use this 200 EMA and this area over here to DCA into these levels on a long. Okay, low leverage or no leverage, your stop loss underneath the golden pocket. And when you get this accumulation, if it comes into like an inverse head and shoulder kind of setup, you want to take your profit back at the resistance area where we just broke down out of, basically this little order block here. Then you could go for higher TPs, but at least manage your risk here first. Once you enter, make sure you lock in your profit at the EMA, and then if it wants to consolidate here, as long as it wants to and not break the golden pocket, you can hold it knowing that it's a free trade, or at least the trade is going to be in profit. You can, if you get an opportunity to DCA lower, you can add to your position at the part that you already took in profit, and you could, once you add lower, you can retake this out higher. Sometimes, sitting in trays long term and the consolidation chop gets like annoying as hell. Well, if you have an opportunity to add as you get a wick lower, you can use that during the consolidation to actually increase your position size if you would like to actually, take more risk on this, because as more time comes out and you don't break these lows, you should have more conviction that, hey, support is there, buyers are there, accumulation is occurring, and then the upside break. This is a very short-term trading plan here on a daily time frame. But if you have a long-term plan, you should be thinking about buying this year and selling in a year or two, looking for that 10x, 20x gain. For a penny, a, a share, going for 10 cents is not unreasonable if you're accumulating at 1 cent, to have that 10x goal. So just keep that in mind moving forward with this coin. It's new. Do your own research as to what the technology is and what the devs are doing. I'm just giving you a pure technical analysis view as to how I would approach this if I wanted to buy this into a long. Do I want to buy where it's at? No, I'll wait for this accumulation to come through to test these wicks to actually prove that the buyers are supporting this level, and then I can DCA into my position and ride it up accordingly. And yeah, that's basically the plan over here on Mira. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you guys have another favorite altcoin, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll make a video on that in the next one. Aside from that, guys, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. And if you're interested in talking to me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend, such as MEXC, where I trade all my alts. And yeah, thank you for helping the channel grow by using them. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.